This is a 6 by 8-inch gift bag. Sew the 5 by 7-inch pieces on both sides of the centerpiece. Fold the top edge fabric by the middle, covering the seam. Sew one extra stitching line 1/2 inch away from the first stitching. This will create a drawstring casing. Do this for the other side too. Fold the fabric by the middle right sides together. Sew along the side edges using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn the bag right side out. Make small snips along the casing on all sides, front and back, both sides. 4 such snips would be made. Cut 2 pieces of string 16 inches long. Thread each through the holes, so that the edges of the string appear on either sides. Tie the string edges together on both sides.